unboxing TK710. It's a laser projector by Benq, true 4K projector. It is having SDCP 2.2 4K Ultra HD with various other features. It's a DLP projector. It's a latest launch by Benq. Manual guide with 2 batteries inside it. Power cable. Remote. It's a normal remote with the on off feature, game mode, not that good, but it's okay remote. It's a premium projector, so I think the packing should have been more good, but it's okay. This is a projector, 4K HDR, Benq Tk710. It is having 2 HDMI with the 2 HDMI and HDMI return channel for audio also. On audio out, normal jack port. Kingston lock feature is also there. Suppose you are hanging it on the ceiling and you want to lock it for safety feature, it is also there. USB 1.5 jack is also there. We have to see whether USB works with videos or not. We haven't checked it yet. We will be looking at it after installation whether it works or not. It's a laser projector. This we have done the unboxing. More ports are not there. Only 2 HDMI and 1 USB. Its VJ port is missing nowadays. VJ port is not even coming in other brands also, which are premium in segment. Only HDMI is given. Thank you.